Hi, this is Anthony Parent of Parent and Parent LLP, the IRSMedic. And in this video, I want to talk about what to do when your installment agreements with the IRS are unaffordable, or when the IRS defaulted an installment agreement you had. You know, most people really don't want to deal with the IRS. And something we found is a lot of people are willing to take whatever offer the IRS has just to get them out of their life, for even if it's not for all that long of a time. A problem with this is that many people get into repayment agreements that they simply can't afford, that they're far too optimistic about their financial condition. So one of two things happen. Either they stop paying their installment agreement in full, and that will default or cancel the installment agreement, or they do something else. They stop making their current taxes for this year, either through their withholding or through their estimated payments. And then what happens is that once that new tax bill comes due, that new tax bill will actually default or cancel the installment agreement. The IRS doesn't roll in new debts into an old agreement. So what happens is the IRS comes back again looking for the same money, and now the taxpayer is trying anything desperately to get the IRS to agree to something. Meanwhile, the penalties and interest pile up. The problem just gets worse and worse, even though the taxpayer is trying their best to deal with the issue. Now, when someone's installment agreement is defaulted, there are really only three options. One of them is to do nothing and hope the IRS goes away. That's really not going to happen. The second one is to try to renegotiate on your own. But if it's something where your own installment agreement defaulted before, you might not be all that qualified to know the ins and outs of all the special rules and all the programs available in order to get the best deal. And we routinely find that the IRS doesn't always follow its rules. A lot of times they come down in favor of the IRS, not the taxpayer. So it's important to know how to deal with bad facts and to actually know when a deal is bad. Your third option is to hire a tax professional, somebody who can look at your entire situation and really find the best solution for you. You know, you might have expenses that you really can't afford, and those might have to be cut. Or your expenses might be totally legitimate, and what you really need is someone to explain to the IRS why you need these expenses in order to live. In either case, it's something that you're not quite able to do on your own. And no matter what you do, it's important to know what your best options are and have someone that builds your case properly. The IRS problems have ruined many people's lives, and they need to be taken with absolute sincerely. There's no more horrible feeling than having the IRS go into your paycheck or bank account. This is Anthony Parent of Parent and Parent IRSMedic, and I thank you for watching.